formal elements that used in this art are first lines, making up the different image you can see in this painting. Second would be the shape, which is geometric with the different object present and also organic with the shape of the people in the painting, plus volume because of the mass you get from the present figures in the painting. Third is the light and value, how it shows some sort of manipulated light. Fourth, the colors that he used were kind of mournful, serious, and it gives off the tone and emotion of the painting. Lastly, would be the visual texture that he used, giving off a certain illusion, texture to make the character in the painting seems real. The principles of design used in this artwork could be unity and variety of the painting. It looks one and whole. Every part seems necessary to make the painting look complete, and there are a lot of variations in the image you see. The next would be the balance. It has pictorial balance. The next would be emphasis of the focal point, which is the body being dragged. It also has a rhythm as it gives the viewer a sensory impression of sorrow and loss. Scale and proportion also play a part with the hierarchical scaling as it gives the viewer an actual scale of real person in the painting, and of course the painting itself is giving a really big proportion. And lastly, he used a style which is a mix of realistic art and representational art. The form he used is a two-dimensional painting type of art.